Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. Have you been facing issues with WhatsApp invites not going through? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll walk you through some simple steps to help you fix the WhatsApp invite problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Access App Settings. Long press on WhatsApp icon, select App Info from the menu. Tap on it. Step 2. App Permission. Within the App Info, you see the list of options. Select App Permission from the menu. Tap on it. Step 3. Allow permission. In the App Permission menu, you see the list of options is pending for permission. Allow all permissions. Step 4. Open WhatsApp app. Go back to home screen and open WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Step 5. Access contacts. Find contact which you want to invite in WhatsApp. Here, you can see invite button. Now you can simply send invitation. Conclusion. And there you have it. These are some steps you can take to fix the WhatsApp invite problem. Remember, technical issues can be frustrating, but with a bit of troubleshooting, they can often be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.